Kichu, why did Sri Adi Shankara listen so carefully for Devi's anklets?
Hi, I'm Kichu.
And I am Leela.
One beloved regional tradition begins in the Kodachadri hills, where Sri Adi Shankara prayed to Sri Mookambika Devi.
Did Devi appear before him?
Yes, during meditation, Devi revealed her radiant form. Sri Adi Shankara prayed that she accompany him toward Kerala, so devotees there could worship her.
Did Devi agree?
She did, with one condition. He must walk ahead and never turn around to check whether she was following.
Then how would he know she was there?
Her anklets rang softly behind him. Chan, chan, chan. Their music told him that Devi was close.
What happened when they reached Kollur?
Suddenly, the anklets became silent. Sri Adi Shankara paused and heard only the river, the breeze, and the forest.
Did he think Devi had gone away?
Worry entered his mind. He turned around, and there stood Sri Mookambika Devi, radiant and near.
But he had promised not to look back.
Yes, Devi gently reminded him of her condition and said she would remain at that sacred place.
What did Sri Adi Shankara do?
He bowed and prayed. Remembering the form Devi had revealed during meditation, he had her sacred image created.
Is that the form worshipped at Kollur today?
Yes, tradition says he installed the image upon the Sri Chakra behind the self-manifested linga.
So the silent anklets did not mean Devi had disappeared.
Exactly. Her grace remained near even when he could no longer hear a sign.
Faith means trusting that God is close, even in the quiet.
Beautifully said, Leela. What will we learn next?
See you in the next tale.